try it just here.
Keep it steady. Can you?
Yeah. And watch this. Watch this. We'll stop this. And we can go into portrait mode. Look at that.
Yeah.
See the camera?
Yeah, I
turns.
saw that. Oh, those are the light or the different camera? The two on the side.
No, those are sensors.
Sensor?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This will also do hyperlapse, and it'll do slow motion. It has a whole bunch of smart features, like follow me. It'll follow.
Follow me.
It'll follow you. Okay, now I have to explain it to you, and I don't want you to take off on me. Okay. So look at, turn around, face the drone. You want to be facing the drone. Okay.
Where's the boy shoot for you?
Okay. So take a look at the drone.
Okay.
We want to go forward. We just press this one, forward. Okay, we want to come backward. We just go straight backward. Right? If you want to just turn it left.
Oh, okay.
Right? Or turn it right, that stick.
It's very strong when you go up and stop it, go like that.
Yeah, well, you want to do it nice and easy.
How
And this one, don't press it up because then we go up. And I don't want you to hit trees.
Okay.
I want you to just fly it out there, just nice and easy, vegan. Just go straight and then, yeah. And then you can turn around and come back, yeah. Careful of the branches and stuff.
Why is this beep, 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 beep?
You've flown helicopters before, haven't you?
So it's turning, look, when you keep it, it's turning.
It's pretty fast, watch. Yeah.
Stuff very nice too.
Pretty responsive though, eh?
Yeah.
I said it's pretty responsive.
Oh, that's why. It goes far away. That's on camera?
Yeah. I'm gonna get vegan on film here. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Isn't it?
Beautiful. Very sensitive too. Strong.
Very sensitive. It has a sports mode too. So top speed is like 35.
That time there wasn't a good drone.
No, this
helicopter.
just came out.
Yeah.
And it's nice having a smart controller instead of your phone.
Yeah,
They offer this in a cheaper model with the controller. You put your phone on it.
Yeah.
But you get all the same features.
And also you can film it too.
Huh?
You can keep the film too.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Well, the advantage of this is this does screen recording too. Like I can record the screen. I didn't record the screen today.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But see, if I press down, see, I can do a screen record. Right?
You tape it, yeah, whatever. Beautiful.
Yeah. But yeah, I just love this thing.
It's very smooth and nice.
Weather.